In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Charles Schwab Brokerage account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what information to prepare, and how to get your account funded so you can start investing in stocks, ETFs, bonds, and mutual funds with confidence. Start by going to Schwab's official sign-up page at schwab.com/open an account. Double-check you're on the real Schwab site, then select Open an Account. When you're prompted to choose a product, pick the standard brokerage account, often labeled Schwab 1, which is the core account most investors use. Next, choose the brokerage type. If you're opening the account for yourself, select Individual. If you're sharing ownership with another person, choose Joint. Individual accounts are simplest and give you full control. Joint accounts require information for both owners and are useful if you plan to manage investments together. Now complete the application. You'll be asked for your full legal name, date of birth, residential address, email, phone number, employment details, and some basic financial and investment information. Set aside about 15 to 20 minutes. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your identification and answer the financial questions honestly. These help Schwab tailor risk disclosures and features to your profile. If you're applying from outside the United States, you'll typically need to upload a passport or government-issued ID, proof of address such as a recent utility bill or bank statement, and a tax identification number or social security number if applicable. Make sure your documents are clear, current, and match the details on your application to avoid delays. During setup, you can choose Account Features. Opt in to paperless statements to simplify record keeping. If you plan to trade options, you can request options trading. Approval depends on your experience and objectives. You can also select platform access, including advanced tools like Thinkorswim. Don't worry, you can adjust these choices later. Create your login credentials by setting a unique username and a strong password, then complete security verification. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an important extra layer of protection. Submit your application and wait for approval. Schwab will review your information and may reach out if anything needs clarification. Processing typically takes anywhere from 3 business days to 2 weeks, depending on your location and documents. Once approved, fund your account. You can use a bank transfer like ACH for U.S. banks, a wire transfer, a transfer from another brokerage, or a check deposit. Many Schwab brokerage accounts have no minimum deposit, so you can start small and add funds when you're ready. That's it. You're set to begin investing with Schwab.